Append column to pandas dataframe. This is probably easy, but I have the following data. In data frame 1. In data frame 2. I want a data frame with the following form. I've tried using the append method, but I get a cross join, i.e. Cartesian product. What's the right way to do this?
It seems in general you're just looking for a join.
You can also use
both join and concat could solve the problem. However, there is one warning I have to mention: reset the index before you join or concat if you're trying to deal with some data frame by selecting some rows from another data frame. One example below shows some interesting behavior of join and concat.
Perhaps too simple by any ways. Result.